Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today I'm unboxing my June Boxycharm. I'm so excited, and if you want to see how I created this look using what was in my box, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. I am having the worst day. It is literally taking me 30 minutes to set up this camera, and I'm not even sure that I'm happy with where the placement of everything's at. So I'm sweating, and like my hair decided it's not going to take curl today. So this is where we're at. I don't know, but let's get started because I could feel I have foundation and concealer on, and it is just sitting on my face as I'm sweating. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Luxie brushes, and I like Luxie brushes, and I love that you're getting 3 with the pink handles are uber cute. Let's see what we can do with these. Hopefully one can be for setting. Let's see. There is, okay, I'm gonna do this one. It's called the Tapered Highlighter, and I'm actually gonna use it for setting my under eye and anywhere I need to set. So, oh my goodness. It like sitting on top of like sweat, you guys. Like, oh, is not my day today. Okay, so I'm setting that there, and then I'm gonna take a bigger brush to set the rest of my face really quickly, just so we can move on. I also need bronzer and blush, which I'm hoping that I can use one of these. So I have a Precision Foundation and a Duo Fiber Powder. We are gonna try this Precision Foundation. It's kind of like a contour slash bronzer, because you know, we're just testing these out, and I don't think I would use this brush as a what do you call it, foundation brush. It's just a little bit too like fluffy. I feel like it just hold a lot of product in, but I think that, you know, I don't have any contour on today, but even just like if you wanted to use your bronzer like I did as something a little bit more like defined in your cheek, you totally could do that. So don't be limited by what the brush tells you it is, because you can use it in any way that works for you. And then they have this Duo Fiber powder brush, and again, it's a little small for powder. It's almost, I don't know if it's just the packaging, but it seems a little bit like almost flat. See that? But we're gonna attempt to use it for a little bit of blush. And I think that they work. These aren't like my favorite like shapes of brushes, but I think that you could find ways to use them because they are really good quality brushes. I just don't know that the shape and size is something that I would necessarily reach for, but again, it got the job done. As you can see, it's a little, I'm gonna take, and this is a Luxie Duo Fiber stippling brush. Same line. I think I got this at Gen Beauty. I'm not really sure, but I really do like it for blush, and so I'm just kind of smoothing that out. Okay, so now that my face is like halfway decent, let's take a look at what else is in the box. So one of the things that's so cute is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. This stuff smells like a little slice of heaven. It is so good, and I actually really like this size. I picked up, I don't have the big one, but I picked up the, I guess I don't want to say the medium size, but like the size that's smaller than the bigger one, and this is like a travel one. So I'm excited because I do like to travel with it because it smells so good. Oh, it's totally sealed up, so I'm going to save that because I'm going to take it to Hawaii. But yeah, so this is so good, and it's such an awesome thing to get in your Boxycharm. Before I forget, those Luxie brushes had a $42 value, and this is a $10 value. So already some really good stuff. I just was looking on the card, and it says that there's an exclusive offer just for charmers. I'm using this code on a purchase of $50 or more. So that could be kind of cool. It doesn't say what it is. Oh, 20% off. I think I could use that. So that's really, really exciting. They've just started to come out with so much new product, that company. So that's very, very exciting. Okay, so next up is, I'm gonna move things around, is what everybody's been talking about. Okay, it's the Elamar Reina del Caribe. I'm butchering that, you guys. Elamar Reina del Caribe. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. So it's 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty of the culture of Cuba. What's kind of cool, it says that for a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with the wet brush, the sun symbol for application with a dry brush. So I have seen this and I think it's so pretty. Let's take off the cover. Look at this. And I honestly feel like there's so many brands coming out with this kind of warm tones and then these like pops of blue and green. And I think that's just really cool. I've been wanting to kind of dip my toe into the like the blue and the green colors. And so this is like the perfect way for me to do it. And it does, I mean, it's true in the fact that it does say like if there's a water droplet, that's something you can use wet, and the sun means that you use it dry. Either way, you can use them dry. So let's start with a crease color. I'm going to go in with Cocoa Taxi, which is just kind of their lightest shade right here, and kind of put that. I've already primed and powdered my eyes. I'm going to get Cocoa Taxi, which is just something pretty like orangey color. I don't even know if I want to say orange. It's more of like a, I don't know, mustardy, dark mustardy color. And it, oh, it's so pretty. I think it's going to create like a really nice base. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this look today, but well, you know, we'll get there. Okay, now I'm going to take Tropico here and put it right below where I put the Cocoa Taxi. These are actually really pigmented and pretty easy to blend. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take that fluffy brush again and just really kind of blend those two together. I literally feel like my eye is beginning to look like a sunset, and I'm all about it. So next I'm gonna go ahead and take Guantanamera. Is that where it's from? I don't really know. But anyway, this like rusty, it's not even a rust, I just used a rush shade. I'm obviously really bad at describing colors, but this is kind of more of like a burgundy shade. I'm gonna go and take that and just kind of deepen up that outer V with this. I'm gonna place it and deepen that up. Okay. And then that color, I think by far had like the hardest time like placing it. I thought it was gonna be more pigmented than it was. So it kind of like I had to place a lot and then blend, but I'm gonna go back into Cocoa Taxi because I feel like that color is just so pretty, and I just feel like it's gonna blend all of these colors, and I really want that kind of like mustardy yellow to really shine through. Okay, now those colors are all meant to be used dry, but now we're gonna use some of these wet, and I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush with some Fix Plus. And I'm gonna take, I don't know what I'm gonna take, you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna go ahead and take Varadero. Again, butchering these names right here, and I'm gonna put that in the that inner 2/3 of my eye. look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my word. Are you kidding me? This is gorgeous. My Lanta. I'm gonna go ahead and do that on the other eye. Like, so pretty, you guys, so pretty. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and take again just what was left off, kind of using that burgundy color, and just make sure that there's no, I'm gonna pick up just a little, actually a bit more color, and just kind of fade that into outer V. It's so pretty. Okay, I am loving that look. Let's work on the lower lash line now. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this brush that I use for that mid color, the Tropico, whatever's left on that, and just run that under my, picking up color as needed. Gosh, this look is like, it looks like a vacation, right? Like, you got the blue of the water, the sunsetty colors. Okay, and then I'm going to take just a flat definer brush and go into the darkest color, Cafecito, right here, and just line my lower lash line. Okay, and then for kicks and giggles, just to kind of elevate this look a little, I'm gonna wet my finger. Actually, wrong finger. I'm gonna wet my finger, and I'm gonna take El Malecon right here. It's the lightest, kind of this like goldy, it's not even gold, it's more of like a, what would you call it, like a steel color. And I'm gonna just pop that in the middle, just for a little bit of like a highlight in the middle, and hopefully it won't kill the look too much. It just like has this like gradient. It almost has like a green tint to it. I kind of like it, you guys. Just kind of gave it a pop of color in the middle, and I'm digging that. I need to wash my hands. Okay, so next for the look and inside the box is a eyeliner by Chante Blue. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's, I don't know, it's almost like this, it's not black. It almost looks like a gray color. Can you see that? Let's see what it says. This is the waterproof eyeliner pencil. It retails, it's a value of $5. It doesn't say what color it could be in, but I look on this. Oh yeah, charcoal. I was like, it's not black. So I don't know how charcoal's gonna go with this look, but I'm gonna line my lower lash line. And I don't, it's not really getting in my waterline, so that's fun. It could be because it's just gray, so it's not going to be as intense as black, but I mean, I don't love it, but it's also has a $5 value, so I don't know. I don't expect a lot from it either, so. Ooh, there's definitely some fallout, and I literally, like, look what I just did. All over my face. Let's try and clean that up a little. Perfect. No harm, no foul. It's looking good. You know what, while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this last color, La Costa, and put it, I'm gonna put that in my inner corner before we get on to the last few things. Because why not, right? Why not? Ooh, that really just made it come together. And then I literally utilized everything but Celia, the green color. So I'm pretty proud of myself. So the next thing, which is going to be a challenge for me, is we get a pair of lashes, and they're actually really, really pretty. Okay, so these are the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. Moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. 100% silk. It has impressive durability, it says, allowing up to 25 applications if you care for them properly. And these have a $28 value. So, okay, so I've worn lashes a few times. I'm getting better at applying them, but definitely not that great. So let's kind of see how long they are. Okay, so I definitely have to cut just a touch off. So I am going to put some lash glue on here and hope for the best. Okay, so then what all the beauty gurus say is that you should take a mirror down below you and look down and then stick them on. So that's what I'm doing. And then I have eyelash tweezers, and I just kind of... Okay, so my camera decided to shut off when I got halfway through putting them on. This application came out very good, if I do say so myself. Now, I do use these lash tweezers because they help me. And as you can kind of see, this isn't for the faint of heart. Is I kind of take them and like push these two lashes together, and that'll just make them adhere so they don't come off. I could have actually cut this one a little bit shorter. I can kind of feel it on the inner corner of my eye, but you know, what are you gonna do, right? Since the camera shut off, I will kind of show you on this one how I apply it. Okay, so where I left off is looking down, place them. You do have like a little bit of wiggle room to get it where you want it to be. I just got glue in there, and then I just kind of take my tweezers and push them on. And I really concentrate like on the corners, like right here. I'm pushing it in. And yeah, there we go again. That was a pretty seamless put on for me, not gonna lie, you guys. I'm actually pretty impressed. Okay, so the last part is, my battery is going to die, is an Ofra lipstick in the color Verona. I'm so excited. I've actually never tried Ofra lip products, so this is exciting for me. Oh, it's a nude color, Ani. I like it. This is kind of a color I would normally go for. It's kind of like your lips, but better on me, and I think it goes well with this look, kind of a muted color. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this look that I created. If you want any information on Boxycharm, I'll put the link down below, and if you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.